Hello, it's Chinaranu here, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the simplest step-to-step approach to solving linear equations with two variables using elimination method. Do endeavor to stay to the end of the class because it's really going to be interesting, and I'm going to be making it super easy for you to understand. Without wasting your time, let's start learning. In solving simultaneous equation using elimination method, what you simply do, you have to get rid of one of the values. Okay, is either you get rid of this or you get rid of this in order to find one of the value. Okay, because the aim of this is to find x and y, but you cannot solve when you have two unknown. So the first thing you do is to eliminate one unknown. Okay, we do this by equating the coefficients. Okay, we have to make either here equals to here or here equals to here. So let's choose to make y. What we need to do is to multiply by 4. So we say times 4 and times 1. Okay, so when you say 4 times 2, you have 8x, then 4 times plus y, you have plus 4y, equals to 4 times 16, you have 64. Then when you say 1 times x, you have x. Then 1 times plus 4y, you have plus 4y, equals to 1 times 1 gives you 1. So we have this. We introduce the minus sign so that we can eliminate this. Okay, so we have 8x minus x, it gives us 7x. Then when we say plus 4y minus plus 4y, we are going to have plus 4y minus 4y, which gives us 0. So we write nothing here. Then we have equals to 64 minus 1 gives us 63. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, 7 goes here 1, 7 goes here 1, 7 goes here 9. So we have x is equals to 9. Now we've succeeded in finding x. Now let's find the value of y. To find the value of y, what we simply do, we put x equals to 9 in this equation. Okay, you can use any of the equations. So you have 9 plus 4y equals to 1, and then you have 4y equals to 1. This comes to the right hand side, becomes minus 9. 4y is equals to minus 8. So you then have 4y equals to minus 8, dividing both sides by 4. 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 1. Minus 8 divided by 4, you're going to have minus 2. So this is it. We are able to get the value of x and y. Let's look at something quite different. So how do you handle something like this? Now for this first one, what we do is to collect like terms and rearrange it. Okay, so we are going to have 4x minus 3x, then minus y equals to 3. Okay, because this 3 came to this side, that's why it gained the positive value. So when we have this, we will have 4x minus 3x gives us x minus y equals to 3. This gives us equation 1. Now let's solve for this one. We are going to do a similar thing. So we are going to have 3x minus 5x plus y minus 2y equals to minus 12. So 3x minus 5x gives us minus 2x plus y minus 2y gives us minus y equals to minus 12. So we have equation 2. So since we have y and y here, there's no need to multiply any number to equate it. Y and y is already equal. So we simply introduce a minus sign. So we are going to have x minus 2x. So we have x plus 2x, which is what? 3x. So we have 3x here, and then by the time we say minus y minus y is going to give us minus y plus y, which is 0, nothing, which is equals to, so we write nothing here, and then we have 3 minus 12. 3 minus 12 Minus times minus gives us plus. So we are going to have 3 plus 12 giving us 15. So we are going to have 15 here. So the next thing we do, we divide both sides by 3. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 1. X is equals to 15 divided by 3. We have 5. So x is equals to 5. Now we found the value of x. All we do is to put x equals to 5 in equation 1. So wherever we see x, we replace it with 5. So we are going to have 5 minus y equals to 3. So we are going to have minus y equals to 3 minus 5. Minus y equals to minus 2. Dividing both sides by minus 1, this is going to cancel out. Y is equals to 2. So this is what we have. We have the values for x and y. We've succeeded in getting it. Let's look at something much more complex. When you're given something like this, how do you handle it? All you do is to equate each of them to 1, alright? So we are going to have f minus 2g plus 3 equals to 1, and we have 2f minus 3g plus 2 equals to 1. Now, solving for this first one, we are going to have f minus 2g equals to 1. Let this come to the right hand side. You have minus 3. F minus 2g equals to minus 2. So we have equation 1. Now let's solve for the second one. For the second one, we are going to have 2f minus 3g equals to 1 minus 2. 2f minus 3g equals to minus 1. So this gives us equation 2. Now we have succeeded in getting it in this form. We can easily solve it. So let's try and equate these, okay? In doing that, we are going to multiply here by 3 and multiply here by 2. So 3 times f, we have 3f. 3 times minus 2g, we have minus 6g equals to 3 times minus 2 gives us minus 6. Now, looking at the second one, we have 2 times f gives us 4f. 2 times minus 3g gives us minus 6g equals to 2 times minus 1 gives us minus 2. So now we have equated it. Let's think of the sign we need to use. We simply introduce minus, okay, so that we can eliminate this. So we have 3f minus 4f gives us minus f. Then when you say minus 6g minus 6g, you're going to have 0 here, which is equals to, we now have minus 6 minus 2. So we have minus 6 plus 2 equals to minus 4. So we have minus 4 here. Dividing both sides by minus 1. There's actually a 1 here which we don't really write. So we write 1, minus 1, minus 1. We divide, this is 1, this is 1. This cancels out. So f is equals to 4. Now we found the value of f. Let's quickly find the value of g. We simply put f equals to 4 in equation 1. So wherever we see f, we replace it with 4. So we are going to have 3 times 4 minus 6g equals to minus 6. We have 12 minus 6g equals to minus 6. And we have 12 plus 6 equals to, this comes here, you have 6g. So we have 18 equals to 6g. 6 goes here 1, 6 goes here 1. Then g will be equals to 18 divided by 6 gives us 3. So we have succeeded in solving the question and getting the value of f and g. So this is it for now on solving simultaneous equation by elimination method. If you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up. Would you love to see more videos like this? Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload content like this. I love to see you in the next class. Thanks for watching.